the awards. Again, may we request the proud parents to accompany the students to be on stage and receive the awards.
Kaway, kaway. Kaway.
For the recognition of academic and golden values awards for grade 1, may I call on the grade 1 advisor, Teacher Lynette.
Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, parents, most important, our expectational student, it's with a great pleasure that we gather here today to celebrate and honor recognition, serve as testament of the hard work, dedication, and perseverance that each of our students has demonstrated throughout school year 2023 to 2024. As we call each student, we highly encourage everyone to please show pride and gladness by closing. Let us start with the grade 1 law.
Heart. Dalaga. Dalaga. Doon ako, katabi kayo, Seryo. Katabi ko si Seryo.
Ariana King Nathaniel G. Overall, most responsible.
Grade 1 lang. Grade 1 lang. Sino po doon na sa bata ko? Grade 2 nga. Grade 1 lang.
Heart. Hanggang stage lang ako. Hanggang stage.
Ayana Miguel. Overall, most behaved.
Ay, last. Ito ka last.
Bernales Jaimon. Overall, most polite.
Ito ka last. Ito ka last. It's a prank. It's a prank.
Bohos Clean Zion C. 4th quarter award with honors.
Kala ko tayo. Ito ka lang.
May nakita mo si
Dalawa na tayo. Ha? Pwede ba kami dalawa, ma'am?
Asan si mami mo? Asan parents mo?
Once again, Bohos Clean Zion C. 4th quarter award with honors. Overall, mostly
Last, doon ka na daw mag-training sa ano, sir? Sa karate niya. Dito nakita natin.
Perennial Zion summary is
Magaling mo to.
overall, most courageous. Castillo Matt Kyrie C. Overall, most behaved.
Yes. Kasi po siya, Nas. Pangalan niya. Pangalan. Ito.
Suwan Jeremy Timothy J.
Si Matt Kyrie.
4th quarter award. Best in CDBE, Best in Math, with high honor. Overall, most intelligent, with high honor. Cortez Divine Piedra G. 4th quarter award with honors. Overall, most friendly with
Ha? Sa taas.
Anya, Alison,
Diyan lang ako, dyan.
and Aaron.
Dito lang ako picture.
Porter Award. Big honor. Overall, most efficient. Big
Hindi, kapicture mo
honor.
na ako dito. Kasi six na lang. Ano si Kuya?
Grimaldo Lucas Barrel C. Fourth Porter Award. Best in CEBE. Good Action Awardee. Best in English. Big High Honor. Overall, Best in Math. Most active.
Jonas, anong best sa'yo?
Honor.
Best in kulit.
Big High Honor.
Ah, galing, congrats.
Martin Melody SPLE. Fourth Porter Award. Big honor. Overall, most courageous. Big honor.
Jonas! Best in kulit. Nash! Ha? Para magbabaw. Black paper. Black.
Nash Aspen Fourth Porter Award. Big Handwriting Award. Big honor.
Ay, with honors!
Overall,
Ano pa?
Best in English. Most active.
Ah, grabe.
Big honor.
Ayan! Okay lang dito.
Base Felicity K.S. Fourth Porter Award. Neat Handwriting Awardee.
Yes.
Super Reader Awardee. With honor. Overall, Most Active. Light and Soul Awardee.
Hey,
With
hey.
honor.
Ang pogi mo? Ito guys, si Nat. Ay, nabas din.